G'day guys. So you may have noticed we're not at the factory today. That's because we're doing a private drift day down at Calder Park Raceway. The drift heaven. So it's a very chill day today. We've got hardly any drivers, which is a bad thing, but also a good thing because that means bulk track time for everyone. And it's just going to be so chilled out. But yeah, you can have a suss. We might go talk to some drivers. We've got the Pink Beast. If you watched other videos, didn't go to plan with the 33. Do have SA this weekend coming. So I just want to make sure we've got the right turbs on that and all running sweet. I didn't want to wreck it with the setup because it's got a box killer combo in it at the moment. So anyway, we're going to have a party in the 32 and test out the same tyres, the old Zek Novas, and yeah, she's going to be a good time. Just set up all the crankshaft, got the BBQ for the boys. Danny's signing dogs in. Old mate Tyler rocked up.
How are we?
Ben the Gizzle, that's right, yeah?
yeah, that's right.
Sponsor driver. Tell us about yourself, Sonny.
I don't know, 25 from Bendigo. Drifter, purple ute up there.
How's the powers?
It's bone stock LS. We've been driving for my third year now, so try not to crash again.
So the aim with our sponsor drivers is pretty much just the up and comers. The newbies that are showing us some skills and consistency and have the mad attitude, the Reet vibe, which Tyler truly has.
That's what we need.
And he's just out there all the time, just smashing Limmy and always pushing himself. So we get behind these guys and look after him. They'll always be doing Ride with a Pro at our Friday night drift events. And then yeah, they're doing the Pro-Am series of the Battle Royale. So you get to see those boys out there. So you G'd up or what?
I can't wait to push me boundaries and try comp. That's really what I want to do.
Smashing doors today.
I'll try.
Whose door are you hunting today?
Ridley store. I want that thing bad.
Everyone wants to ute?
Yeah, that would be good.
Gary Martin.
What's going on, man?
What's going on, dude?
Stuff on, man.
Everyone's been asking where you are.
Hey?
Everyone's been asking where you've gone.
Where I've gone?
You disappeared.
Vanished.
Gary Martin. Everyone asking where he's gone. Old mate had his own agenda. Wanted to work from daddy's shop. Can't blame the boy, but I'm going to get his door because of it. He left us. He left us. And he deserves a mark on the door for it. Bloody D-beats for days. Oh, first lap. So when you get the exact 90 degrees on the bank.
3 for 3 so far.
time, not even joking. Kill me.
So, what does Zach Nova have to say about this?
Well, the thing is, it could be a combo of things. It could be the wheels and a little bit of stretch on the 10.5.
Yeah.
The stiff sidewall of a semi. Well, it's not a semi, but they've got a stiff out sidewall like a semi.
Yeah.
That's it. I'm going to do a quick little presentation before we do. Quick wrap up. Overall stoked with this beast. 290 kilowatt, always round up. Made 283, shut your eye. Anyway, blazed it. Blazed those semis, loved it.
K70 on 195s and you couldn't even keep up with it, you know, like.
There's Timmy Rolgers from all the way from Tassie.
Come to keep it Reet, show these boys how we really party, you know. Nah, good fun day though.
Good times.
Peace.
Yeah, how did I go? Yeah, I can't believe how well this thing blazes semis. We could only get around like, I think it was 22 PSI. Didn't want to push it too much. Don't want any more D-bead. God dang it. But apart from that, yeah, it was a grim monster. New alignment from Rayleigh Garage. Thank the rest of my sponsors. Keep it Reet. Thanks for supplying the car. Sick day. So chill. Love it. Hopefully get back out here soon. Even get a public day. Friday night drifts going. Hopefully sometime soon. Anyway, let's get into this presentation. Get the hell out of here, boys.
But yeah, the one award today is our most improved driver of the day. I'd like to give a little props to him. Pat Meehan. I mean, this guy has done one drift score game, right? And then throwing down probably better than 90% of the people I see out here. So really big props, man. Well done.
Alright, all packed up, home time. Actually, quick KFC trip, that's tradition these days. The outbound, or whatever you call it, KFC will get me a nice twaster, some Zanger fallets, and some whack and wangs, and some Mountain Dew. Anyway, enough chat talking. I've already wrapped up pretty much, but next weekend, SA, and quick shout out, grab some merch on our website. Get on it. Maybe sometime I'll get a discount code for you loyal fans. Hit that some Scroozle and Bell Dizzle. And until next time, boys.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
Day we hustle, but the night we
Know that they ride or die. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.